Hello, my name is Taya and welcome to Preston Audi. Today I will be talking about this approved used Audi A3 Sportback S-Line S-Tronic finished in the modern Glacier White metallic paintwork. This 2024 model comes with a TFSI engine and auto transmission, ideal for those wanting to cover extra miles. The top features include matrix LED headlights for great visibility, electric folding wing mirrors, 18-inch alloy wheels, and parking sensors for awkward manoeuvres. You will also have access to a 380-litre boot capacity for all your travel essentials. Moving into the rear, you will find a full leather trim and a pull-down armrest. The front houses the multifunctional steering wheel with a central touch display and S-embossed front full leather seats. The steering wheel offers various audio controls with the option to navigate around the virtual cockpit screen, including your vital driving data, audio and telephone connection, and even a full view display of the built-in navigation system. The cruise control and speed limiter features are also available to assist out on the open road. Moving across the central touch display houses similar options, including various radio and telephone connection and navigation to help you find your way, and even Audi Drive Select offering a range of driving modes to suit you. Just below, the dual zone climate control offers a personalised temperature to suit both driver and passenger preferences, alongside the central cup holders and charging ports. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.